Starting?
Yep, you're on.
Okay. Well, that wasn't too bad. Wish I could get it to quit climbing. It doesn't need a whole lot of power to fly, that's for sure. Okay, I think I finally got it leveled out some. It moves along really good at less than half throttle. Probably the best it's ever flown with this little battery way far forward. I think that CG was aft in the past. That's why it launched nicer now, that's for sure. I'll bring it in here.